Oh, where did he go? There he is. Okay, wow, that was cool. I missed the official coming out of the water, but that was neat. Guys, that was awesome. Yep, and this is our official leaving Rockport. We've enjoyed it. Guys, if y'all want to check out some pictures, go to my Instagram at dsb_animals. I have just blew up Instagram with pictures of all kinds of fun stuff, all my catches, all the good stuff. Well, I wish he'd come back out. Excuse me. It was a little clip of him, but that was better than nothing. But yep, seeing some mixed comments. Some people love this place, some people don't. You know what? I love it. I love it. My last cup of coffee out here, you know, it has just been amazing. Desert people, give us a little bit of water and we're happy. Rockport, Texas, guys. Absolutely amazing. Great fisherman town. Yep, and you know me. I had to feed the birds one last time. They'll come back. Watch. Yep. Goodbye, Rockport.